Make your own juice, fresh from the garden. Come with me. This is our ingredients: coconut, cucumber, string bean, lime, and ginger. So let's prepare them and then we blend them up. Coconut, add them into. Some our cucumber, our beans, ginger, our extra amount of ginger. Ginger is good. Our blending now. Strain. Nice. Okay. Something like that. Nice green juice. Got some ice and see. Right. Refreshing juice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.